Hello, my name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to get text to fit on a can using GIMP. So I've got this image of just a plain can opened up in GIMP, and I'm going to draw some text into the screen. So click on the text tool here and begin typing. I'll just type out my name. And you'll see that it's a little bit big for the can. So first thing I'm going to do is scale it down. And I'm holding down the control key just to constrain the proportions here. That's a pretty good size. And now I'll move it over so that all of the text fits onto the can. The very last step is to get this to bend a little as though it's bending around the side of the can. We'll go to Filter, Distort, Curve Bend. And I'm just going to reset this real quick so we can start fresh. And the first thing I'm going to do is start bending the upper portion of the word. As I begin bending this down, you'll notice that our text isn't really responding. It's kind of looking a little bit weird at first. So I'm going to turn automatic preview on, and now as we move the curve around, the text is responding to us in real time. So that looks pretty good. We'll go to the lower portion of the text and begin bending that as well. Try to keep those two in line so that it's got a uniform bend to it. And we'll say, okay, that looks pretty good. And now if I deselect the text, it really realistically bends around this can as though the text was already on the can when the photo was taken. I hope you've enjoyed this short video on how to get text to bend around a can. I'm Josiah Ray.